Did you know most fires start in the kitchen? Never leave cooking unattended. Keep items that could burn like tea towels and curtains away from cooking areas and wear suitable clothing when cooking. Heaters can cause fires. Keep items that can burn at least 1 metre away from all heat sources, including furniture, clothing and curtains. Always turn heaters off before leaving the home or going to sleep. Candles, incense, oil burners and cigarettes can cause fires. Never leave candles burning when you are not in the room and always put them out before bed. If you smoke, do it outside and make sure cigarettes are fully extinguished. Electrical fires are a common type of fire. If you have devices that need charging, do so carefully and never leave them charging while you sleep or leave your home. Unplug them as soon as they are charged. Use the original charger that came with the device. Don't overload power points and always charge items on hard surfaces that do not burn, not on beds, pillows, cushions or couches. Firefighters are here to help you stay safe. For more tips, visit cfa.vic.gov.au or frv.vic.gov.au.